I am so happy to get out today. It's 14 degrees and tomorrow we're supposed to get a snowstorm. It's supposed to get really cold and we're supposed to get, I think, 15 centimeters of snow, 15 to 20. So I thought, you know what? I have to get out here. I'm glad I did. All right, it is the last day of February. And I just crossed the swamp. I didn't fall, but yeah, it just hit my boot. So let's go. Well, this is my first hole and my first find of the year. Not sure what that is. It has some decorations on it. I'll have to clean that up and show you. Wow, let me tell you something. There's a lot of noise in the woods. A lot of noise.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Well, find number 2 is a knob of some sort. There's a weird sounding bird in behind me. Hopefully I'll be able to get it for you. Well, I got my first casing. Well, I have no idea what that is. Absolutely no idea. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna keep at it. It's a beautiful day. Well, you just knew that I had to get a shotgun shell. And I did. Let me do a quick check. Oh my gosh. It's a Canuck shell. I just had one sent to me. And I just found one. Did I mention that I absolutely love my shovel? Thank you, Chad, from Maritime Metal Detectors. I just had about 10 deer cross about 100 yards away from me. One was a white-tailed deer. Beautiful, beautiful. They heard my pinpointer and I guess they got scared and they ran away. I don't know if it's mating season or what. I really don't know. But
Oh, hello there.
somewhere in that direction. Wow, that is a big worm. Big worm. I had the best signal out of this hole where Mr. Worm came from. There you go, Mr. Worm. Back. Turned out to be a broken glass bottle with a metal cap. Yeah. Well, I got a shotgun shell, beautiful Canuck shotgun shell. I have a small caliber casing. I've got some miscellaneous bits of iron, and it's 3:30. I'm gonna try and hang around for another. I'm gonna try and get another hour in here. I have been chasing a signal for like 10 minutes. Found some nails, closed it up, and then it was still there. Dreaded pull tab. Yeah, it's an old one, but not what I'm looking for. Not what I'm looking for. The sun's starting to go down. I might do a couple more holes, and then I'm gonna try and circumnavigate the swamp. Because when I came in, it was right up to my boots. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Hopefully I don't run into all those deer. Isn't that pretty? Moss. Very nice. It's beautiful in the woods. Really, really is. I haven't even touched a tiny piece of this. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Well, I'm just detecting on this ridge here, and another shotgun shell. Let's see what it is. Imperial Canada. So I got an Imperial and a Canuck. I'm slowly making my way back to the swamp. I'm trying to go around it, and then we'll see where that leads. Not the kind of surface find I want to see in the woods. Tina, this one's for you. Starbucks Frappuccino. Really, people? If you bring it in, take it out with you. That one's going in my pouch. I'll take it out with me. Well, this is what I got. It's really, really heavy. This is not from a bicycle. Wow, it's really heavy. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. I think I have one more hole left. Well, I found myself a little log to sit on. I didn't find anything really worth much. Got a couple shotgun shells, got a small ammunition cartridge, I got a couple miscellaneous pieces of, iron. I have to clean them up. Got that really big, very heavy piece of iron. And I did some cleanup. I got busted bottle cap with attached to some glass, and I'm taking that Starbucks bottle out with me. Now I know there's a shore cleanup campaign going on. I think that kind of should be done in the woods too. There's a lot of people traipsing through the woods, with their drinks and food and stuff, and they're just too lazy to take their garbage out with them. So if you see something, when you can, pick it up. That's going to be it from me today. I I still have to cross that swamp, but I think I see a, well, it's not as bad. I'll show you as as I go along. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. We're getting 15 centimeters, 15 to 20. Supposed to get a snowstorm, so I had to come out today, and I'm glad I did. So until next time, I hope the weather is great where you are. I hope you're out there digging, and I hope you're out there finding stuff. Until next time, keep it real.